Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the type of clock and spotting the three hands: hour, minute, and second. Once done, focus on the hour hand first because it tells you the base hour. The shorter hand points near a number. Make sure to note whether it sits exactly on a number or between two, since that tells you if the hour has fully arrived or is partway through. Start reading from the hour hand to anchor your time estimate. You now examine the minute hand to convert its position into minutes. Multiply the number it points to by 5, because each numeral equals a 5-minute block. Then, refine by counting tick marks between numbers to add single minutes. Once you have minutes, glance at the second hand to know exact seconds or to synchronize events. That rapid hand shows precise timing. Make sure to combine hour and minute readings into a single time like 3:25 and verify alignment before moving on. You finish by merging the hour and minute values into the final time and adding seconds when necessary for accuracy. Then decide AM or PM using context, sunlight, schedule, or a trusted digital clock and adjust accordingly. If the hands look misaligned or the clock runs fast/slow, stop it, set the hands to the correct time, and restart. For persistent errors, replace the battery or service the movement. Tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.